Hi Britney.
Hi little bitch.
I'm Selena Gomez.
Did you say Selena Gomez?
Fuck you bitch.
Fuck you, you should happy with me Bakuzia and the princess of pop.
Princess of pop, ha 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 ha, you are old princess of pop shit me.
What do you mean Copez?
I've got a lot of fans, all the teenagers and kids love me.
Fuck you stupid, your songs like Lullaby, This Is Why All the Kids Loves You, and you haven't got any #1 song. I have got a lot of hit songs.
I am more talented than you and you try to be sexy but you are not.
Stupid girl, I am sexy when I was young and am still hot today, and you are 19 years old but am 30 years old, so I am more talented than you when I was 19 and am dancing better than you.
But I am not only singer, I am actress too.
You are a very bad actress. All the babies watch you on Baby Chanel, Disney Chanel.
Bitch, you are only singer.
No stupid bitch, I am not only singer, I am acting How I Met Your Mother when I was 19 and I am acting better than you. You are a little whore. You are pregnant from Justin Bieber.
You don't care bitch.
No, I care bitch. You and your stupid boyfriend Justin Bieber shouldn't be a singer because you and Justin Bieber's voice is like my ass. You are little bitch and Justin is little pimp.
I must go and I don't wanna talk with you.
Okay, coordinate chicken, bye bitch.